In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up and install your very own Metamask wallet to hold your cryptocurrency. Now, I highly recommend using Metamask when buying new cryptocurrencies and participating in private and public pre-sales. You may use other Chrome extension wallets like Trust Wallet, Binance Wallet, TronLink, and many more, but MetaMask seems to work the best and it seems to be accepted virtually everywhere. Step 1 is going to MetaMask website and downloading the Chrome extension to your browser. Simply click the Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Next, click Get Started and create a wallet. You will then have to create a password for your wallet. Make sure to never forget this password. Next, you will be asked to write down your secret backup phrase. Do not lose or ever forget this phrase, or else you could get locked out of your MetaMask account forever. I recommend you write it down and also store this phrase in multiple locations and maybe even memorize this phrase. To see your seed words, click on the Click Reveal section and your words will be revealed to you. Next, you will be taken to a screen to confirm your secret words. Just click on them in order and then click Continue. Congratulations, you've now created your MetaMask wallet. I'm now going to take you through a basic tutorial to get you more familiar with MetaMask. In the top right hand corner, click on the circle. Then, click on the bottom and click on Settings. Under General, you can change the currency that you're using as well as the language. If you click on the Advanced Settings, here's where you can download your own logs, sync with mobile device, and also change your gas settings. Let's now go back to the home screen. Click on the three dots again, then click the Account Details. Here you will see a QR code as well as your wallet's public address. This is the address you will use to receive cryptocurrencies to this MetaMask wallet. You can also have others send cryptocurrencies to this wallet as well. To rename the wallet, click the pencil icon. Next thing I'm going to teach you is setting up your contacts. Click the circle in the top right hand corner and then click Settings. Then under the Advanced section, click on Contacts. Then go ahead and click on the blue plus button. Here you can enter a username and wallet address. This will allow you to quickly identify different wallets without having to look up multiple numbers and letters. It will also keep things a lot more organized for you in case you ever need to send funds quickly. Next, I'm going to teach you how to add custom tokens. This will be very important because a lot of new cryptocurrencies will need to be identified with their contract address. To get started, click Add Token and then Search Token. Let's say we wanted to add a token called AAVE. Simply type in AAVE and then you will see AAVE appear. Now, as you can also see, there is another AAVE token below. This is because anyone can create an ERC20 token and make fake ones. The first token is the real AAVE, where the second token, AAVE, is a fake. This is why it's so important to have the correct contract address and also add in tokens manually using this address. Now, for demonstration purposes, I will click the first token and add AAVE. By clicking this button, you will now see that I've added the AAVE token to my wallet, and it appears underneath the Ethereum token. Now, if you wanted to buy cryptocurrency and have it go directly on your MetaMask, you can do so by simply using the buy button and then using the options listed. I would personally use a centralized exchange like Coinbase, Kraken, or Binance and then send tokens to my MetaMask. The reason for doing this is to simply save on fees. Now, you can also swap different tokens by simply clicking on the swap button. Now, I've never used this button because I personally use Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or 1inch because they give me better discounts on swapping fees. If you would like to create another wallet, simply click the circle icon again and then click Create Account. This will create another wallet instantly and you won't have to enter in different seed phrases or different passwords. It's simply another account with another address for you to use. Now, to send tokens from your MetaMask to an exchange or any other address, click the send button in the middle of the screen. Then add in the recipient's address manually by copy and pasting it or using a QR code. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency that you would like to send, as well as the transaction fee. You can have the fees go slow, average, or fast. I personally choose the fast because I want my transactions to get there in a very timely manner, and I also don't want them to fail. If a transaction fails or it gets stuck, you will end up having to pay that transaction fee, and then you may have to pay another fee in order to send your funds or get your original funds unstuck. Now, if you would like to manually set how fast you would like your transaction to go, just click on the Advanced Options button. You will then be able to manually enter a number of GUI to make your transaction go faster or slower. slower. Make sure you always have enough of the native cryptocurrency you are using in order to do this transaction. Now, after submitting your transaction, you will see it pending. If it's going very slow, you can always speed up or cancel the transaction. You can only cancel the transaction though if the transaction has not yet been confirmed. Once the transaction has been confirmed, you cannot cancel the transaction. So there you have it. There's the basics of how to use Metamask. In the next video, I'll be sharing with you more advanced tools to help you get even better results in this course. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video.